RU is the Latin alphabet Internet country code top-level domain for the Russian Federation introduced on April 7, 1994. The Russian alphabet internationalized country code is N-Euro-N. The control of RU is assigned to the Coordination Center for TLD RU, the current official registry. On January 1, 2005, the former registry Russian Institute for Public Networks has fully stopped to provide operations for registrations directly under RU but still carries out registry operations for the third-level domain names under com.ru, .net.ru, org.ru and pp.ru. The company Relcom also proposes third-level registrations beneath various second-level domains such as MSK.ru, while Macomnet Telecom proposes third-level registrations beneath and RU simultaneously. RU Center is one of the accredited registrars in RU and also handles registration services for SU, the top-level domain of the Soviet Union, which was supposedly going to be phased out given the non-existence of the country it represents, but nevertheless has been accepting new registrations along with RU. The legal status and ownership of SU is being contested by the ICANN, and several Russian commercial entities. Background: the creation of RU in April 1994 was preceded by a historical agreement in 1993 known as a Euro-OE, an Order of RU Top-Level Domain Administration Euro. According to the agreement, administrative and technical support responsibilities for the national domain RU were to be handed over to the Russian Institute for Public Networks. In 2002 the administrative functions was handed over to the Coordination Center for TLD RU. Development of RU, the national domain in Russia, is developing rapidly according to self-regulatory principles. In 1993, an informal union, a RU top-level domain coordination group including the leading Russian Internet providers as well as scientific and educational networks entrusted RIPN with RU domain administration. In 1998, RIPN and RU top-level domain coordination group established a domain registering association. Subsequently, in 2000, a new system of domain names registration in RU top-level domain was introduced. It was a distributed system of second-level domain name registration in RU top-level domain through accredited registrars. The accredited registrars provide domain name registration and support services based on the first-come, first-served principle to the end users so far. RIPN became one of 4 co-founders of the Coordination Center for TLD RU but continued to support centralized technical aspect of the national domain operation. All organizational and administrative functions were handed over to the Coordination Center for TLD RU. To preserve the historical continuity, one of the Coordination Center's committees was established on the basis of RU top-level domain coordination group. The Coordination Center for TLD RU develops domain names registration rules in RU top-level domain, registrars accreditation procedure and promoting prospective projects that involve Russian national domain growth. Whereas, the RIPN secures national domain RU technical base functioning and supports the DNS. The new distributed registration system was tested in 2001 and implemented in 2005. Second-level domains. Although direct registration of second-level domains is widespread, there are a number of preset second-level domains designated for third-level domains for various types of organizations and geographic locations. The full list is published on the Coordination Center for TLD RU website. Generic second-level domains AC.RU, scientific institutions and higher education, com.ru, commercial organizations, edu.ru, education, gov.ru, Russia's federal government, int.ru, international organizations, mil.ru, the Russian military, .net.ru, organizations having to do with the Internet, org.ru, non-commercial organizations, pp.ru, individuals. Second-level domains for federal subjects of Russia note that some federal subjects have multiple second-level domains, and others have none. Adygea.ru, Adygea, Bashkiria.ru, Bashkortostan, Burussia.ru, Ulana.ru, Burussia, Gruzia.ru, Chechnya, Kap.ru, Shuvashia, Jestan.ru, Jestan, Nalkik.ru, Kabardino-Balkaria, Kalmykia.ru, Kalmykia, Kch.ru, Karakaya-Euro-Shukesha, Karelaya.ru, PTZ.ru, Republic of Karelaya, Kakasha.ru, Kakasha, Komi Ru, Komi Republic, Mariel Ru, Mari Ru, Joshkarola Ru, Mariel, Mordovia Ru, Mordovia, Yaksha Ru, Sorkha Republic, Vladikavkaz Ru, North Ossetia Euro-Alania, Kazan Ru, Tatarstan Ru, Tatarstan, Tuva Ru, Tuva, Izhevsk Ru, Udmurtia Ru, Udm Ru, Udmurtia, Altai Ru, Altai Krai, Kamchatka Ru, Kamchatka Krai, Khabarovsk Ru, Khv Ru, Khabarovsk Krai, Kipan Ru, Krasnodar Krai, Krasnoyarsk Ru, Krasnoyarsk Krai, Perm Ru, Perm Krai, Marine Ru, Vladivostok Ru, Primorski Krai, Stavropol Ru, STV Ru, Stavropol Krai, Kita Ru, Zabykalski Krai, Amur Ru, Amur Oblast, Arkhangelsk Ru, Arkhangelsk Oblast, Astrakhan Ru, Astrakhan Oblast, Belgorod Ru, Belgorod Oblast, Bryansk Ru, Bryansk Oblast, Chelyabinsk Ru, Chel Ru, Chelyabinsk Oblast, Ivanovo Ru, Ivanovo Oblast, Irkutsk Ru, Irkutsk Oblast, Kernig Ru, Kaliningrad Oblast, Kaluga Ru, Kaluga Oblast, Kemerovo Ru, Kemerovo Oblast, Kirov Ru, Vyatka Ru, Kirov Oblast, Kostroma Ru, Kostroma Oblast, Kurgan Ru, Kurgan Oblast, Kursk Ru, Kursk Oblast, Lipetsk Ru, Lipetsk Oblast, Magadan Ru, Magadan Oblast, Mosreg Ru, Moscow Oblast, Murmansk Ru, Murmansk Oblast, NNOV Ru, Nizhny Novgorod Oblast, NOV Ru, Novgorod Oblast, Novosibirsk Ru, NSK Ru, Novosibirsk Oblast, Omsk Ru, Omsk Oblast, Orenburg Ru, Orenburg Oblast, Oryol Ru, Oryol Oblast, Penza Ru, Penza Oblast, PSKOV Ru, PSKOV Oblast, RND Ru, Rostov Oblast, Ryazan Ru, Ryazan Oblast, Samara Ru, Samara Oblast, Saratov Ru, Saratov Oblast, Sakhalin Ru, Yuzhno-Sakhalinsk Ru, Sakhalin Oblast, Eberg Ru, Yekaterinburg Ru, Sverdlovsk Oblast, Smolensk Ru, Smolensk Oblast, Tambov Ru, Tambov Oblast, Tver Ru, Tver Oblast, Tomsk Ru, Tom Ru, TSK Ru, Tomsk Oblast, Tula Ru, Tula Oblast, Tyumen Ru, Tyumen Oblast, Simbursk Ru, Ulyanovsk Oblast, Vladimir Ru, Vladimir Oblast, Volgograd Ru, Tsaritsyn Ru, Volgograd Oblast, Vologda Ru, Vologda Oblast, CBG Ru, Voronezh Ru, VRN Ru, Voronezh Oblast, Yaroslav Ru, Yaroslavl Oblast, Mos Ru, MSK Ru, Moscow, SPB Ru, St. Petersburg, Baru, Jar Ru, Jewish Autonomous Oblast, Shukotka Ru, Shukotka Autonomous Okrug, Sigut Ru, Khantia Uromansi Autonomous Okrug, Yamal Ru, Yamalo-Nenets Autonomous Okrug. Other geographic second-level domains These were created before TLD RU established its rules for geographic second-level domain names, and have had to be grandfathered in. Amursk Ru, Amursk, Baikal Ru, Lake Baikal Region, CMW Ru, Kislovodsk, Yartogorsk, Yuzentuki, Zelezovodsk, Forest Ru, the Russian Far East, Yamal Ru, Yamal Peninsula, KMS Ru, Komsomolsk na Amur, Kyulsk Ru, Kamenskyulsky, Kustanai Ru, Kustanai, Ktsbas Ru, the Kzitsk Basin, Magnitka Ru, Magnitogorsk, Mitis Ru, Miti, Niklojka Ru, Niklojka, NKZ Ru, Novokzitsk, Norilsk Ru, Norilsk, SNZ Ru, Snezhinsk, Skol Ru, Stary Skol, Yartogorsk Ru, Yartogorsk, Rutsovsk Ru, Rutsovsk, Sizran Ru, Sizran, TLT Ru, Teliati, VDONSK Ru, Volgodonsk. In addition, the test Ru second-level domain is reserved for use in examples. See also RuNet, Technical Center of Internet. References. External links, IANA RuHois Information, Coordination Center for TLD RU, RIPN. This article incorporates public domain material from websites or documents of the CIA World Factbook.